So I'm here at Adokiye Amasimaka Stadium to learn how to fly my drone. This is Adokiye Amasimaka Stadium, the biggest stadium in Portharcourt Rivers State. So I'll be learning how to fly drone in this stadium. I'll be flying it for the first time, and I'll be using this opportunity also to film the stadium. This is the almighty Adokiye Amasimaka Stadium. When President Buhari, Tinubu and co, whenever they are coming to Portharcourt, this is where they address the people, because this is the biggest stadium in Portharcourt. So I'll be filming this stadium to show you what it looked like. So this is officially my first drone video. If I didn't do it well, pardon me, but then I will try my best. Of course, I've taken my time to learn the basics. I've learned a lot of things, how to take flight, how to move it, how to do the controls. I've learned some of the basics. So I'll be flying it for the first time officially. So watch this video to the end as I show you what Adokiye Amasimaka Stadium looks like. Thank you for watching this video till the end. What you have seen so far is Adokiye Amasimaka Stadium. I don't know if you like the video. Well, officially it is my first drone shoot and I am still learning. With time I will get better and I will be bringing to you the best of Portharcourt. Everything you need to know about Portharcourt, every significant place you need to be acquainted with in the city of Portharcourt, I will bring in all of them to you on this channel. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, you are missing something huge, because I will bring it to you the best of the places right here in the city of Portharcourt, and you don't want to miss out on that. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification to be notified when we post new videos like this, and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time, my name is Chris.